ECT-6022M operation demo. Insert the battery. The head can rotate 360 degrees. Press to open the clamp head. Press the locking pin and install the die. Press the start button. The tool will automatically reset when the pressure reaches the rated level. During crimping, press the pressure release button to reset. Crimping demo. Open the clamp head. Place the crimping material. Close the clamp head. And press the start button. The die will close and automatically reset after reaching the rated pressure. Note, the crimping material must match the dies.